What's up, YouTube? It's the Wasatch Wizard. I'm here today with an unboxing from CoinHelpU. CoinHelpU is a YouTube channel in the community run by Daniel. He also runs a website, CoinHelpU. But his actual coin store is the Portsmouth Coin shop. He has these grab bags for $50, $100, or $200. A while ago, I opened one for $50. I really enjoyed that, so I thought I'd come back and do one of his $100 grab bags. Now, the first thing here is this had my shipping label on it with my address, which I've taken off. But because of that, this was completely wrapped in tape. It was very nicely wrapped from the post office, so that the post office can get into it, because you know how the post office is. But now that I took that off, I can just cut this. So let's see here. This feels like an invoice. Okay. Yep. Oh. Don't know if you can see yet, but there's a Morgan dollar right there. Alright, so maybe come on here. Okay, so first off we have the Morgan dollar, 1921. Let's zoom in on this. There we go. 1921 Morgan dollar. I did not see a mint mark, so it must be Philadelphia. So next up we have a 1977 Eisenhower. And let's see what else we got here. I see a 64 Kennedy. It's a nice, 9% silver dollar, or excuse me, 9% half dollar. Oh, here we have a Barber dime. It says 1909. Very cool here. What's this? Oh, 1925 franc. I think this is my last time I don't think he had foreign coins. And this one does not seem to, doesn't look silver to me. I'll have to look at it. Let's see what else here we have here. We got war nickel. 1945. So I can't see, it looks like a San Francisco mint. A 1980 dollar coin. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, what is this? Canada? 1996 Elizabeth II. $2. Okay. So there we have it. Let's zoom out again. This is starting to pile up here. I'm not sure how to organize this. I think that these will be clad. Zoom out some more here. Come on. So there's the clads over here. There's got silver, got foreign, got more silver, more silver. Let's see what else we have here. Wow. Good for trade, only 5 cents. some kind of token there. 1929, I wonder what that is. Well, it's the kids like horses. Oh, what else we have here? A 23S Buffalo nickel. I know the Lazy Wizard likes the Buffalo nickels, right? There's another Buffalo nickel, 28. So there's those. Let's see here. Walking Liberty. Gotta have some of these, right? That's a 1943. I'm not seeing a mark on that either. I'll have to see if I need that for my coin floor or not. What else do we have here? This is really toned, whatever it is. I can't even read that. 1875? Victoria DG. Can you read that? What's this? It's like another candy half. Let's see. Interesting flip at least. Oh, it's 4% silver. I'll just take that out of the flip and put it in the treasure chest there. Andrew Jackson. It's not focusing there, is it? And Martin Van Buren. Looks like a silver dime. I got some more Buffalo nickels. A 21 Buffalo nickel and 1919 Buffalo nickel. Yeah. 1945 Mercury dime. Oh, hey. Got a V nickel. This is my first V nickel. I think that's a Barber design as well, 1911. So that's new. Got another War nickel. That's a wheat cent for 28D. Got 27S, wheat cent. Wow. 1891 Indian head cent. I think that's our second one. Indian head cent. Oh, there's another. Oh, there we go. 1895. Oh, that's a nice red one. That's definitely our best Indian set that we have. There's that. And finally, we got this roll of pennies. Yeah, looks like they're all wheat cents. 58, 58, 58, 58. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so I have them all laid out here. Let's figure out, was it worth it to buy this package? First off, if you're a silver stacker, here's the silver coins. Now, just to put this in context, today's silver price is around $18. When I bought this, it had just dropped to $19. And I'm guessing that Danielle probably has a stock of these packages, so you can just pull off the shelf to send to people when they order it. I don't know. I really doubt that he changed these around for when the spot price dropped. But the silver price here, at a spot price of $19, is actually about $40 worth of silver. Not only that, but you know, stuff like this Morgan, you know, it's a common Morgan, but it's still got a premium. All this has a premium to it. So if I were to buy these silver pieces here, this would cost me about $75 for all this. That's actually a lot better than I was expecting. Now you add all these other pieces. However, well, that said, first, this is better than I was expecting, but if you're pure silver stacker, then don't buy this. Don't buy this package. But I'm sure you knew that. Now when you add in all this other stuff, what I came to as value was about $125 for this whole package together, and that does not include these foreign coins, which might be about another $10. I'm not sure. That's why I did not include it. Or this horse token, which, yeah, I don't think this has any value other than its coolness factor. And I bet Alicorn Cycle would love this. So, yeah, thanks for that one, Daniel. I appreciate that. So altogether, I definitely made my money's worth out of this. I would say if you're into coin collecting, yeah, it's probably worth it, especially if you're new to coin collecting, because this really is a impressive, I'd say it's a really well thought out set of coins. You've got a wide range of silver coins, a good set of other coins. The one thing I would say is, if you don't already, get a red book. If you get this, be sure to buy a red book so it can help you learn about the coins and investigate them. So there you have it. That's the $100 grab bag from the Portsmouth Coin Shop, also known as CoinHelpU. Thanks for watching and have a magical day. You know, this Morgan really is nice, so I'm going to keep it in the flip. Now as for the rest of the silver, it's going in the treasure chest.